Three bad words which are stopping us to grow in our life personally and professionally. These three bad words are I know that. This is very much important to understand that whenever we say these three words, we are stopping, we are limiting ourselves to learn new things, to grow in our life. Because as you understand that if you wanted to grow in our life, we need to learn new skills. We need to acquire new skills. We need to work on new skills. This is what is needed. Many times what happens, suppose we are interacting with someone, and while discussing we keep just saying I know that, I know that, I know that. The other person will not give whatever the knowledge he is having. Instead of saying I know that, you can say that I need to understand. I wanted to learn. I am ready to learn new things. Whenever you say these words, the conversation or whatever things we are discussing with someone else, that goes in a learning mode, and the other person can give more and more to us. That's what is needed. Having a listening skill is also important. Whenever someone is trying to explain us, listen it completely and then only give your opinion or just give your answers. This is very much important. And I'm not saying just technical skills we need to learn. I know there are many people who believes, I was also one of them, that if I wanted to work in technical direction, then only I'm happy to grow, means I'm about to grow, means that is what means. But it is not like that. Being a technical resource or technical professional, you need to learn other skills, other soft skills also. I'm saying these soft skills are very much important. These soft skills means how we communicate with others. What are different things which we need to consider while we are in the meeting? How we communicate in the meetings, how we present. This is also important. How we write emails. Email writing skill is also important. And then how we interact with the next person, interpersonal skills. These are also important because the way we communicate, the way we interact with others, that is going to define you, your personality. Because whenever we say the words are very powerful, we need to understand that means if we speak fluently or if we speak well effectively, then it is going to help us to grow. There are many people who are very talented in technically, but they just can't express. They just can't explain what they want to tell other peoples. That's what the problem is. But all these skills can be learnable from whatever background you have come. Means you can say that means I have came from a very a poor family background, or there is no education, no one is educated in my family, but that is fine. Anyone can learn new skills. Try to learn these new skills. Approach for the coaches or the people who are teaching all these skills. Learn from them. Now there is another thing which many people say, that whenever they register for some courses, many people complains about the negative aspects of that courses as well, or the sessions which they have conducted or they attended. Yes, there are some negatives, but instead of taking negatives of anything, just take positives. Negatives you can ignore, because there is no one perfect in this world. So mistake can happen, but try to learn the new things. Try to learn new skills wherever needed, because this is important, and try to understand that. It's all about our perception and interpretation of how up to us how we make it. We can say that this person is good, that person is not good. This person is teaching good, this person is not teaching good. That is fine. Everyone has their own style, but we need to understand. We need to perceive ourselves as well. Like, take only positives. All the persons try to give the positive things, try to understand the positive things only. This is very important, and if you do this, this is going to help us. Wherever possible, try to learn. I try to learn from anyone. Means whenever I interact with someone, I am going to learn something from him or her. That is what my approach is. Be in the learning mode as well, always, because you know that learning is one thing which is a continuous process. In our life, we should keep learning and learning so that it will help us to grow. There are many things which we need to understand. So there are 3 principles which we should do if you wanted to grow is know. The first one is know or learning. Try to learn new skill, the first thing. Once you learn the skill, the second is doing or applying that skill. Whatever you have learned, suppose for 1 hour I have learned, apply that skill for 3 hours or practice that skill for 3 hours. That's how we learn new things. And the third thing is living by that skill. Whatever skill which we have learned, try to live that by that skill. These 3 things, which is knowing, doing and living, these are the very 3 important points which we should understand and we should live by. These 3 principles, if we apply in our life, we can grow to the next level. We can grow our life to the next level. This is very important. I hope these topics or these points or the tips which I have given here are helpful to you. If you have any questions, then please put it in comment section. And what do you think about my videos? Because I am here to help you, because I am also learning very new things every day. I wanted to share with others. This is important because I believe whatever I learn, I should teach others. I should share my knowledge to others, because it gives me satisfaction that I am giving something to someone and it is going to help. I'm not sure. I'm not worrying about whether it is helping just one person or it is helping for 100 people or maybe 1,000. I don't worry about that. If it is going to help just one person, then my purpose is solved. This is what my intention is. So do let me know your suggestions or comments in comment section. I like to hear from you. If you have any questions, do put in comment section and like my videos as well. Thank you for watching.